favorite video is Swift because it is very funny, and although the game got stuck all the time, but it was still very fun. Here's a sneak peek.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Swift. Before we get started, we have a challenge for you guys. Can you like this video, subscribe, on the notification bells in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Challenge I face are editing, getting more views, and getting sponsored. The tools that I need during filming: camera, lighting, background, decoration for the background to make it more pretty and more beautiful. The videos to make in the futures are, I want to make something that is safe, like slime video, dart challenge, hauls, vlog, 24 hours challenge, and more. My future YouTubing goals are: I want to get 4 million subscribers in 9 years, and that is a very long way to go. My average views are 3 million views per video, and I will be doing 1 video per week. My dream YouTubers are Wenji and Eileen Leong because they are very pretty, they have lots of subscribers, and they are famous. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can be famous, make everyone happy by doing a giveaway, and get more sponsors.